Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can boost the download speed of IDM. So let's get started. To begin with, search for control panel. Go to network and sharing center. Click on your internet connection. Now go to its properties. Click on IPv4 and set the DNS server to this address. Now open IDM. Click on options. Go to connection. From here, set the value to the highest and save the change. After this, you will see there is a significant change in the download speed of IDM. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.